Hola, bienvenido, and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video, this time once again in Puntarenas, exploring a little bit different part of town today, halfway along the peninsula in a little touristy area here. We're going to be checking out this part of town. Very cool. Lots of water. And we'll start right here where this dock is. And as I understand, we can have cruise ships landing here. So if you're taking a cruise, landing here in Puntarenas, this is likely going to be where you land in this very nice little touristy area. Very, very cool. If this is your first time joining us here on Sights and Sounds, welcome. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Send this video to somebody who's coming here to Costa Rica, or entice them with this video so you can have a travel partner when you come here to Costa Rica. Be sure to check sightsandsounds.co for a robust write-up on this video. More information, you can check the caption below. For as much information as I can get in there. That's cool. What a cool tree. So Puntarenas is a peninsula town. Pretty much one way in, one way out. Parallel streets heading in and out. Lots of restaurants. Lots of cool things to explore in this town. Where we're staying right now is in the middle of town. You can expect to have cheaper rental prices in the middle of town. If you check the last video, I will link it below for our last video in Puntarenas that was out at the peak where it's very touristy, very upscale, a bit pricier, well worth the trip, but you can get a little bit of a different accommodation here. So there you have it. There's some restaurants, cool street art everywhere. Hola.
Hola, amigo, pura vida.
Your vida, sí.
Yeah, from we got from California.
Okay, here we go. That's cool. Wow, lots of restaurants. Lots of stuff for sale down here. Tiendas pequeñas. Para la ropa. So now the water here is, it's rough. I mean, I've got to say it's rough. It is rainy season. It's raining periodically, and it is very windy right now. So expectedly the water's a bit rough, but there are people out there swimming. They don't seem to be too concerned about it. But look at the view here, just incredible. You can see all the mountains and the volcanoes off in the distance. There's a little angle of the pier. And actually, as we go out, you can see this is a very busy part of the beach. Much busier than down at the point where we had spent some time in the last video. See lots of people hanging out, lots of people with their tents up. Chairs. This is a busy part of town, I gotta say. Now, one thing about the Puntarenas beach is that there is a lot of logs washed up on the beach. But, you know, that could provide some seating for you as you're relaxing here on the beach. wow, look at that. Just restaurant after restaurant after restaurant. So many options. We just ate at one of these restaurants and I've got to say it was delicioso. So if you're coming through here, definitely check out the restaurants here, check out the shops. Comprar un sombrero.
Mangoes.
Hola. Okay, so here is the main photo location. Coming to Puntarenas for the gram, you're definitely going to have to come here to prove that you were in fact in Puntarenas. Take your photos. Very cool, very cool. All right, so here's something you can actually see from the map, the satellite map. That's pretty cool. Nice little theater with some leaf features, seating. Don't know exactly what that's used for, but if you're down here and it's open, check it out. So there you go. Everybody's taking their photos. Each town in Costa Rica that I've been to has a unique little feature when you come into town. So here's the road that is on the south end of town. Lots of parking, ample parking. And now as you look down further, this road takes you all the way out to the point. More hotels down there. It's essentially the area of the previous video of Puntarenas, which again will be linked below. So on yonder appears to be more restaurants, more people relaxing. Although it's windy, I mean, can't complain. The wind is very relaxing, very refreshing, I should say. So yeah, wow, take a look at that. Off in the distance there, we can see massive mountain ranges. Lots of people out and enjoying the beach. Oh wow, water's very cold. Very refreshing. On a hotter day, it would be incredible. You can see these lads here playing soccer, just with some of those sticks, right? So you can just grab a couple of those sticks that are washed up, make some nets, bring down your soccer ball and play. There you have it. Puntarenas in Costa Rica. Remember to subscribe to Sights and Sounds. Remember to like this video, share this video. Go to sightsandsounds.co for a write-up on everything we discussed in this video, how to get to this location. Thanks for joining. Bye now.